Hey guys, it's Kim, and in this week's video I'm going to be doing the Daisy Duck costume. As you can see from my feathers, for sure, and you can't see but I have a white skirt on here with feathers too and this little bow. I am Daisy Duck. So if you guys want to figure out how to make this DIY costume, then please stay tuned.
So what you need is a white dress or a white skirt, a purple top, a white boa, some felt, and some scissors, a glue gun, and a headband. So what I did first was I actually had a white dress, and it was flowy on the bottom, so what I'm doing is taking it and just putting the feather boa around the bottom of the dress. This here will resemble Daisy's feathers. Next, what I did was I actually just took the feather boa and taped it, as this is a dress that I will be wearing again. You can always sew it on as well, but I just taped it along the edges around the whole dress. Next, to make the bow, I just took a little piece of the purple felt, cut it off, folded it into the middle of the piece of felt, and then like accordion folded. So I pinched it in the middle where I folded it before and pinched it back. Then I cut off the edges to make the bow, and I took the thin piece and wrapped it around. Glued the headband down, and then I had some extra of the feather from the feather boa and glued it on the top just to show more feathers.
I hope you guys give this costume a go. Let me know in the comment below, and if you have any pictures or anything, I'll leave me a link or anything in the comment below. I'd love to see how your guys' Daisy Duck turns out. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Thanks. Bye.